Okay, Bob, you say it's going to be real windy today.
Yeah, really windy, especially in the middle of the day. I'm thinking the winds, they're a little bit breezy out there, sustained in the 12-mile-per-hour range, but they'll be picking up later in the day. I think the windiest part of the day in the middle, and then they'll be tapering off in the evening hours.
Grab your kites.
Yeah, and it's a heavy spray. Yeah, today would be, in fact, the Kite Festival coming up here before too long, in about a month or so.
Nice.
And I'm looking forward to that. Also, we have the time change coming up this weekend. This is where we turn our clocks ahead 1 hour at 2 a.m. It gives you a little bit more sunshine later in the day to do some after-work activities like mountain biking or running or whatever. Here's our weather headlines. A bit windy for today. Cooler temperatures today and some 60s by the weekend. Nice little warming trend kicking in. There's a live shot of the Jump Center out there. It's starting to look like something. But it's still going to take a while for them to finish that. We just had a story on that just the other day.
Yeah, they pushed it back.
Yeah, pushed it back to what?
Spring, next spring.
Yeah. All right, 30 degrees. Knapp is at 32 degrees. Caldwell, 30. Most locations pretty close to freezing here in the valley. And McCall, a little bit chillier, 22 degrees. Here's some other temperatures across our region. 21 degrees in Stanley, 21 in Challis, 32 in Haley. But as we look at the wind chills, that's where we see the really chilly temperatures, mainly in eastern Idaho. A wind chill of 8 below in Dillon, Montana, Rexburg at 3, Idaho Falls at 4. Here's a look at our satellite map. We have a northwesterly flow now. It's a pretty dry northwesterly flow, plus a ridge of high pressure will start to build over our area. This is the disturbance now exiting to the southeast. Here's what we're looking at. Futurecast, as we move through the time steps, this disturbance exits the state by noontime for today, but leaving in its wake some windy conditions with some of the stronger winds aloft mixing down to the surface. And as we head into Thursday on into Friday, just a few clouds grazing the panhandle according to the Futurecast computer model, but that's about it. As far as snowfall, that exits the state by, let's see, this evening. There's 740. And in its wake, it leaves a little bit of precipitation amounts for Pocatello, Idaho Falls, and Rexburg. And then the clouds pretty much scarce. As far as snowfall accumulation, most of that this time, eastern sections of the state, 1 to 2 inches. And some of our mountains picked up a little. Bogus Basin picked up about 1 inch of snow overnight. The other story, the winds kind of blustery today. Here's our Futurecast showing you the future winds. They'll be dying down by 7:30. And out of the northwest much of the day, and fairly light for tomorrow, just sunny and a little bit warmer for tomorrow. Here's what we're looking at as far as our forecast. First off, mostly cloudy, scattered morning snow, also a bit windy for Twin Falls. For Sun Valley, mostly cloudy in the morning, then more sunshine later in the day, some scattered snow showers and wind chills of -5 to -15. Partly cloudy, scattered morning snow showers for McCall. Otherwise clearing up and sunny and windy down here in the valley with daytime highs in the mid-40s. Tomorrow morning's lows in the lower 20s, most locations. Here's our extended forecast, and it calls for sunshine but windy for today. A warming trend as we head into Thursday and Friday. 60s by Saturday and Sunday. That's almost 10 degrees above normal. We will be 10 degrees above normal by Monday. Kelsey?